Hi guys, today will be a very interesting concept about an AI tool that our students use and that we have been using a lot lately with our students, and a lot of them have already utilized it to their maximum, and I would like to tell everybody what that is. So now let's say you are an entry level freelancer. This usually works for the people who are just starting out. I'm not talking about the mid tier or the mid experienced freelancers. I'm not talking about the elite freelancers. I'm talking about the people who have just started freelancing and started to get some clients. Let's say you reach out to the people in business. Let's say you reach out to the business owners. Let's say you reach out to let's say an entrepreneur or anybody, and you are an app developer or a web developer, and you have to build an application or a website for them. Now, as a business owner, they wouldn't know a lot of the procedures or the technicalities, I would like to put it, and they would just want a website or they just would want an application. Now, you are an app developer or you're a website developer. You might be a cross platform developer as well, but you don't know how to do the designs. I mean, there are a lot of designs to pick from. You don't know how to do the designs. So, as a developer, a design is very important for you to go ahead and structure it out and start the development phase by phase and build the file structures accordingly. Now, the business owners wouldn't give that. I mean, they just want an application. So, what most of you were doing or did was they hired a designer. They hired a designer, paid some, let's say $500. I'm just talking about an average value for entry level people here. The commercials can vary, but this is for the example reference. They'll give $500 out of the 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 project. They'll be giving 500 or more to a designer for them to design a website, which gonna take some time, extend the deadline. But if they're really good at it, they're gonna do it really soon, and you will start working parallelly. Now, there is a way where you don't have to hire a designer, and you can go ahead and start building the designs and start working on the same day. Now, there is an AI tool, so I would just like to show you the website. So this is our website that we have revamped. You can go ahead and check it out, check our ad. It is in the YouTube. We do have a YouTube channel. So we do have major specialization. As you can see here, we do have minor specialization that you can choose. And we do have all the questions listed with the statistics as well. So now you can join the Slack channel, which is our community. And there are a lot of people already out here. So who have registered and who have been learning in our software development classes, by the way. And when there is a channel when they can post any achievement, no matter how big, no matter how small, they can post it. So people who have been learning, people who have been going ahead and just started to learn, have been posting the videos, have been mentioning the progress, and that's what we love. We love to see the progress, and that's what we suggest as well. And we have educated them with this AI tool that I would like to bring it today. So now the tool is Stitch, and you can just go ahead and type Stitch UI. So you will be getting a first option here, Stitch with Google. You will be clicking on it. You do have not you shouldn't ideally, I mean, there is no necessity for you to create a profile because it already links with your Google account. So now the more better description you give, the better it will be. So it's all about prompt. So use ChatGPT, describe your business, describe the industry, describe your target audience, and tell it to create a prompt for the designs, and then come here, paste it, and always evaluate it through. But right now, we're gonna be just going with an application, let's say. So I'll tell I want an application for my students, so who are freelancers, and I would want the theme to be purple and black. Make it very friendly to the users and interactive, or we can just tell creative and energetic. They can let's say it's an application for the student portal. They can log in to the portal and they can check the recordings of the class, and they can post their reviews. So let's go ahead and just create this. It's going to take some time, but it is going to be creating a design. But the more better you give, it's always going to be better if you give more better prompt, and you'll be getting the better output. So it will give you all the screens. Now it is very, if you see this board, it's very similar to Figma, correct? So it's very similar to Figma. Figma is something that people use to design, but right now you can edit this as well. You can go ahead and keep on making this better and better. But let's see what is in the store for us for a very minimal prompt, for a very minimal description, on a very minimal uh, elaboration on this. We can define the number of pages, and we can go by page wise as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and understand now. As you can see, so whatever the website design was, I just had to go ahead and copy here, and I mean go ahead and explain here, and we already got it. And look how awesome it is for you to go ahead and check it out. I mean, I haven't given any description here. I haven't given any description here. But right now you understood how easily it can create the designs. It can go ahead and you can edit this as well. You can preview this. You can see how it looks. You can just play it around, and you can explore the options. So there are a lot of things that you can do. So now you can see there is a login page that we have given, and we do have post the review. We do have a community. We have everything. We haven't mentioned much, but this is how you go ahead and you create a design, and then you will be understanding how you can develop it. So if you're ideally, if you're a freelancer who want to practice some designs, you have some ideas, then this is the best application for you. This is the best tool for you. And for the people who doesn't want to hire any graphic designers or Figma developers, this is best for you. But once you reach the level of you closing a lot of let's say expensive clients, you need a designer. So this is something that you can use in the entry level itself. So that's about today, and I would like you guys to go ahead and make an experimentation, and I would like you to go ahead and create some designs and start the development. Thank you.